Be like,
hit the Dwifty in your car. So smoothly earlier. What happened was
Much later.
damn it, Matt!
true professional.
Yes. We're gonna go pick up a steering wheel from AZ Auto Aesthetics, one of our old friends. Get to say hi. Haven't got to catch up in a minute. Should be cool. It's a nice rainy day. Yep.
Gas prices are higher than my credit score, Noel. The Turnstyle IS. How much do you think it's gonna take, Noel?
As far as gas?
Yeah.
Since it's 91, dude, probably around like, I'm gonna say like 60 bucks.
Last guy got 100.
Probably driving one of them Dodge Rams.
You gonna go over?
It's gonna go over. Yep, we just hit that mark, dude.
Oh!
Whoa! It's close. It's close.
This part is my favorite part of the Turnstyle IS. Wouldn't you agree, Noel?
What's that? We're at AZ Auto Aesthetics. Oh shit, we're gonna get delivered to
Tiffany!
Hi!
Damn. What do you think, Noel?
I think it's pretty sick. Let's go.
Back to Turnstyle?
Back to Turnstyle, quick parts run. Get back to Turnstyle, we gotta get the C7 locked down. We gotta get those headers off that 370Z, and that'll probably do it for today, to be honest.
I like the finish on these.
Yeah, it's a black chrome. They're super nice. I really like them. We're actually the second shop to ever do a dual caliper setup on this, which we're kind of finishing up today. The only other one is in FD for Matt Field's car. You'll see it at a bunch of local Arizona drift events.
What are you doing, Vic?
I'm helping this dude bleed the handbrake, dude.
That guy over there, the fucking guy.
Our lightsabers.
What a fucking guy.
Oh, I know.
They're talking about smacking each other's lightsabers.
Hey, can I join?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Hold.
Oh, you got some pressure. That's good.
Yeah, I ran my vacuum bleeder on it for a minute. I just pumped the shit out of it. Be like, yeah, give it the beans. Alright, hold. There we go.
Pretty good already.
Yeah, that's good. Pump. Pump. Go ahead.
Nick, you're so good at that.
Pump, dude.
A lot of practice?
A lot of
Yeah.
practice.
That feels pretty good.
I bet it does.
Oh yeah.
I'll just call Shane, be like, Daddy Shane, can I please slide you a Corvette?
Hit the Dwifty in your car. You done?
Yeah.
Look at that, dude. Fastest tools in the West.
It's that snap-on.
It's that snap-on.
Is it ready, Noel?
Oh, it's ready.
Going to take it out to get some media?
Yes, sir. With this beautiful handbrake. First one ever. The only one that is running this dual caliper setup right now is the Formula Drift C7. So this is a C7 Corvette.
Doug DeMuro? Is that
Yeah,
who you're talking
that's what I'm talking about, dude. That guy.
He gotta go, cuz looking at you like, bruh, ooh, bruh, y'all, bruh, whoa, bro.
All right, Noel. Media's done.
Let's
back
go.
Back to Turnstyle?
Back to Turnstyle.
Hey, Matt, since you're the one that built this car, run us through what's all done to it.
So far, we've added Part Shop Max full angle kit with adjustable knuckles, extended tie rods. We've also done the Part Shop Max rear knuckles with a dual caliper setup. The only other shop to have done this so far is Matt Fields and FD. Stepped the brakes down to fit a tighter wheel setup so we could fit in the rays and go with the dual caliper. So these are actually from a lower model base Stingray. So we actually dropped the rotor size down for a drift setup, along with the hydraulic handbrake, what we've installed.
Damn, that's sick.
But it has some serious angle for a C7. Almost looks broken.
What's the angle on it at max?
I want to say it's like a 20% compensation.
Yeah, it does look kind of broken, huh? Like
We like
straight
to call
on.
it the YD2 angle from the Drift RC cars, which is ironic because Shane owns Tandem RC, which is the local Japanese drift shop.
Hold on, no, takeover is like hardcore backies, and then you like.
Now we just need to put little peepers away.
This is the best shop ever, dude.
That was a nice little break, dude, but gotta get back to work.
We got our plasma table. Vic is gonna pressure wash it. Should we throw some B-roll of the sludge?
Yeah.
The little adapter for the hose broke or snapped or something like that for the pressure washer, so we got to go to Home Depot and buy a new one. And we're taking the Shop IS. Let's see if you can do the steering wheel better than Noel could. Oh my god, first try. It wasn't in focus. We've made it to the depot home. The Bluetooth generator. Wireless. It's a Bluetooth generator, Vic.
What?
Well, Vic, they didn't have what we needed.
I know. It's all right. We're gonna try Lowe's now.
To Lowe's we go. All right, Vic, they didn't have what we needed, right?
No, they didn't, man.
So what are we doing?
Jerry rigged this stuff. Threads are fucked up on this end. So what I'm gonna do is put a small one layer of electrical tape. Hopefully it'll fill in the threads and seal.
Back to pressure washing?
Yeah, back to pressure washing.
We've also got these long tube headers going onto the 370Z. They're PPE headers, right, Matt?
Yes, sir.
How's the install going so far?
A little tricky.